Now, for proving theoretical things on this test set, we have controlled lighting to simulate sunlight. We have the system sensor on the back here. We have a task location selected on the front there. The lights can be varied up and down using this remote control. Now, in determining a system sensor ratio, you may very well want to catch it at different parts of the day and see what this system sensor is reporting versus the task location sensor. We can expect this is going to be very well behaved, but we don't know what it's going to look like in real life. But let's take a look at this. I'm going to kill all the lighting. I'm going to vary the controlled sunlight up and down, and we'll take the ratio between the system sensor and our task location and get our sensor ratio at varying levels of daylight illumination. Okay, first we have the luxury of running our daylighting up and down, so we do that, and we take the number on the system sensor and the number at our task location and divide, and we get our sensor ratio. And that's apparently going to be pretty good throughout the range because we're under ideal situations. And in this case, I got an average of about 2.44. Varying the controlled lighting, daylight up and down, I was able to range between 27 and 196 on the system sensor for measurements of 10 to 83 on the reference location reading. I plotted all these points on a graph, and as you can see, it's pretty much a straight line because we have fairly ideal circumstances here in the garage. Now in real life, and we'll draw from endpoint to endpoint, you can see that all of these readings pretty much line up along this line. So when we pick a sensor ratio, when we determine it empirically, you got to measure this stuff, we get 2.44 is the average sensor ratio, and that's yielded by adding up all these ratio points and then dividing by the number of ratio points, and it gives you an average. What the controller will display is the daylighting factor, which is 1 divided by 2.44. But make no mistake, it's still using the sensor ratio, and it's the first thing you have to tell it.